Want to draw Bikini Bottom's goofiest starfish? Let's sketch Patrick in just a few seconds. So grab your pencil and let's go. So now we'll start with the eyes, just two simple circles right next to each other. And let's get started on the head. Just one swooping motion up and downwards. Draw the eyebrows, just two dark rectangles. And now the mouth. One big smile. Let's have the mouth be open, just like so. Let's get started on the tongue. Just two lines coming down like so. You choose whether to darken the inside of the mouth or not. But in this case, I'll be doing so. Now the rest of the body. One big half circle, like so. This time we'll have his hands raised up in the air. Do the same to the other side. Trying to match it as best as possible. But have some fun, that's what this is about. And now the pants. Two curved lines coming down. One going all around the belly. And now the details in this pants. Have some fun with this part and draw it as you like. No rush. And how can we forget the belly button? Now let's add some color. We'll start with the pink for his body. And take your time with this, no rush. Allow the line work that you did before to dry so it doesn't get mixed in with the colors. And just go for it. Be brave. I really enjoy just coloring in general. It's quite peaceful. It gets the mind to just calm down and settle the way it's supposed to. At this point, it's just a matter of time before you have your finished art. And let me tell you, it's beautiful at the end. If you want to see more tutorials like this, and if you're having fun, then don't forget to subscribe and like this video for more weekly tutorials. You're almost there. Just keep going. Keep coloring. Oof. Wow, almost there. 3 minutes in, you're almost done with it. Now let's do the mouth. And now the pants. I chose a very bright green, but it's really up to you. It's your art. Enjoy the process. Now let's finish this beautiful piece. Some purple on the pants. Wow, and just like that, you've done it. What do you think? Thank you so much for watching this video. Take care, and I'll see you next time.